Ukraine has a 6-month window of technological advantage. Here's why that matters for every entrepreneur and investor watching global markets. The war in Ukraine has shifted. The ground war is stalled. The front line hasn't moved in months. Russia has failed to capture the Donbass after more than 10 years of trying. Now it's an air war, drones, glide bombs, and long-range strikes targeting energy infrastructure deep inside Russia. Ukraine is hitting oil depots, gas facilities, even sites near Moscow and St. Petersburg. This isn't just a military update. It's a strategic lesson. Ukraine's technological edge is real. Drones, precision strikes, and adaptive tactics have given them momentum. But this window is narrow. Ukrainian officials believe they have about 6 months before Russia catches up. The question is whether they can translate this leverage into a settlement. Peace talks have stalled since before the Iran war. The central issue remains control of the Donbass. Putin insists on full control. Ukraine won't accept that. But with Ukraine now holding the initiative, there's a chance for a negotiated outcome. The meeting in Washington next week could be a turning point. What does this mean for you? If you're in Morocco or the MENA region, this war affects your energy costs directly. Russia and Ukraine are key players in global energy markets. Every strike on an oil depot or gas facility sends ripples through fuel prices. It also affects supply chains, inflation, and investment flows. The war is a reminder that geopolitical instability has real economic consequences. But there's a deeper lesson here for builders and entrepreneurs. Ukraine had limited resources. They didn't have Russia's population, territory, or military budget. But they used technology to create an asymmetric advantage. They identified their window, drones, precision strikes, adaptive tactics, and they acted. They didn't wait for perfect conditions. They moved fast, learned fast, and now they have leverage. This is a masterclass in strategic timing. A 6-month lead can change the outcome of a war. It can also change the outcome of a startup. The question is, are you using your window? For Moroccan founders and indie builders, the lesson is clear. Identify your unique edge. Invest in technology that gives you leverage. Monitor global shifts. Adapt before your window closes. The war in Ukraine shows that timing and innovation can overcome size and